Would you want to be liked at work?
Do I need to be liked? Absolutely not.
Let's face it, most of us want to be liked. And not only that, likable people are more likely to keep their jobs. They are often higher performers. That's not quite what I meant. Studies have even found that likability factors higher in promotions than does competency. And one of the most searched questions in Google is how to tell if I am liked. So with all of that, here are 5 ways that you can increase your likability factor at work, starting right now, starting today.
So call people by name. People like to hear their own name. And if it's a hard name that you don't know how to pronounce, make an effort to learn how to say it.
Don't invent nicknames that are easier for you to say. That is really not honoring the person's name. So make the effort to get it right, even if you make mistakes and it takes you a little while. Tip number 2 is to smile and use what is called signaling or social cues, meaning be clear about your signals. Don't underestimate the power of a smile. If you can't because you are wearing a mask at work, get really good at the smize. The third thing to do is to be authentic. Say what you mean. Don't be fake. Don't make up compliments just to make up compliments. Be genuine and real about it. Concentrate on similarities, things that you have in common with the other person, because often it is our similarities or our similar likes and dislikes that connect us. Find a topic that you both agree on. Maybe there is something that you enjoy doing that you know the other person enjoys doing. Strike up a conversation about that. Once you have a connection with somebody, it's easier to get to know them and to build a relationship. Remember details. It means a lot if you remember your coworker's name, or that your coworker was away for the weekend somewhere fun, or that something particularly tough was going on for someone, and maybe you ask about how they're holding up when you see them next. This means listening more to others than it does talking about yourself all the time, or talking to yourself, which sometimes I feel like I'm doing. Offer to help if and where you can with training, with advice, with extra time, with great ideas, or even just with time to listen. And here is a bonus tip. The more that you get to know, like, and trust others, chances are excellent that you will get the same in return. And that means that you do need to be a little bit vulnerable and to be willing. But the more that you like others, the more that you should be liked in return. It's strange, but true. Aww.
Ah, Charlie. I like you too.
Speaking of liking, I like you a lot. And if you liked this video, please hit that like button to instantly show me, because that helps me share this video farther with the YouTube algorithm. And next, I have a video that you might like on how to change thoughts that you want to change. Old thought patterns, thoughts that aren't very helpful, negative automatic thoughts. I will see you over in that video.